Does this look okay? This is, hell, I don't know, a little tiny closet. I guess I couldn't figure out your towel closet. Tub, double vanity sink. There's wire. I like how they do this wire. It's cool. They go, wee. It's like the shortest route. That's not it. Yeah. I don't know why they do that. Is it to keep down on the heat? Create more heat? Okay. Bathroom. Toilet. Simple. Got it? Hey, if you're wondering wondering why you got to hear a hissing noise over there and the air conditioner don't work anymore, some dumbass put a nail over here and got too close to the line set. Well, they put a big plate up there and at the bottom. So be careful. And we come back. Damn it, I stepped on this damn shit again. Coming back over to the... What the hell is this? This is... What is this? Remember, what room is this? You got two windows. It's too small for a bedroom. Surely, is this your closet? Dang. I mean, you got windows in your closet? Okay. I keep picking up on stuff. Damn, guys, won't they clean up after they get done? I like they put one plate here. You shoot a nail over too close to this, it's over. No plates along here. I mean, pew! And get out the old State Farm after that. All right. You got a big size. You got a speed on the bedroom. Master bedroom. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. There's some ductwork here. Look at that. And I think that's the ceiling fan. Does that look right, Ember? And then there's actually bathroom upstairs, and there's a peak trap. Keep stink down. And toilet right there. So if you're ever wondering what your noises are, right there, Ember. You're not having double sheetrock. That's how you're supposed to do duct work there, buddy. I mean, just look at the damn roof. Look at all those. I dropped my glasses. All right, all the framework just for that roof. It's pretty awesome. But anyway, this is a kind of a dead space area upstairs.